Hi there everybody, really good to see you along here, and today we've got an extra special box opening and review. I think this is probably one of the most detailed models that I've ever reviewed. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. Well, I couldn't believe my luck with this. Look at this, an entire toy train in a tin. Old number 9, and, well, it's battery powered, but look at what we have got here. I mean, such amazing detail. There's nothing to fault in this. In fact, I'm going to go as far as saying that this might be the best detailed train-related product that I have seen and reviewed all year. I mean, look at this. I'm going to just open this up. Oh, I mean, feel the quality. I mean, you can see what the prototype is meant to be, and it's just so well realised. You can see the perfect rivet detail. I mean, something for all of the rivet counters this Christmas. Nothing to fault. Absolutely nothing. Now, let's see. I think, such ease of use of these couplings. I mean, why can't Hornby and Bachmann and Dapol and Helgen and Oxford Rail get things as good as this? And see this track, Pico, eat your heart out. There is just no contest on this track. You know, it just brings to the market the kind of quality that really we have struggled to get. You know, we thought we had it good, and I mean, look at the ease that stuff clips together. There you are. And the train, I mean, it's just such a perfect realisation of the prototype. And if you don't know which prototype this is, then clearly you've been doing railway modelling wrong all these years. But it sort of fits on the track there, and we can couple this exquisitely detailed tender up. But then, it's not just that. If we keep putting this amazing track together, I mean, I'm never going to use Pico Streamline again after I've seen just how good this track is. And we've got, look at this, such a great rendition of a freight car. I mean, there you are. What more can you ask for in terms of the detail? And it runs so smoothly on this track. And then we've got the caboose on the end, because obviously this is an American outline thing, but you know, this will, I think the country over railway modelers are going to be switching to this. You know, bin all your high quality stuff, because who's going to want it after having had access to something as good as this? Look at how easy these couplings are to put together, and it comes with a full circuit of track you're never going to want anymore. I mean, I would be speechless if it wasn't for the fact that I'm still talking. So there you go. The most amazingly detailed train I've ever seen. Ease of use, this track is so easy to put together, and it runs so smoothly and reliably on this track with no issues whatsoever. I've got to give it 12 out of 10. No, 1200 out of 10. I'm 1,000,000% happy with this. It is just, I mean, look at that. Feel the quality. There we go. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that. In all seriousness, it's a £10 model. But it's something a little bit of fun. But I had you going at the beginning there, some of the keyboard warriors. What's this? But until next time, you take really good care of yourself. This is me, Jenny Kirk, saying bye for now. Today's video has been brought to you in part thanks to the generous donation of my fans on Patreon. And an extra special huge thanks go out to Anthony Kidson, Mark Anthony, Michael Churchwood, Mark McShane, Bob Threeton, Alec Ralph, and Anthony Hunt. If you'd like to help support the show, head on over to patreon.com/JenniferKirk. Thank you.
Today's video has been brought to you by my books, Bringing Home the Stars, Twinkle Little Star, and also you can get the complete comic collections of All Over the House, Books 1, Books 2, and also the wacky zany Life of Knob T. Mouse. Thanks, and catch you later.